Find the measure of angle X. Present an informal argument showing that your answer is correct. So the exterior, we said in problem 1, is equal to the sum of the remote interior. The remote interior will be these two, and the exterior will be this one. So we're going to set up an equation. The exterior is equal to the sum. Sum means to add. So we're going to add 25 and x together. Then, to solve for x, we can subtract 25 from both sides. These add to 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So x has to be 51 degrees. Now we're going to find the measure of angle X in this one. The exterior is equal to the sum of the two remote interior. So 52 plus 27, which is 79 degrees.